Hello, good morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Guys, if you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. And I thank every one of my subscribers. God bless you. Anyway, guys, this morning I'm making a delicious and healthy smoothie, guys, and I want to share the smoothie with you. Yeah, guys, so this morning, guys, I'm gonna make some smoothie, as I said, and I'm using, in my country we call it pear, in America they call it avocado. All right, I hope I'm saying it right. But anyway, guys, that's what I'm going to use to make my smoothie. I'm going to use banana, and I'm going to use some ground flaxseed. Here it is. All right, I'm going to use some flaxseed. Guys, I have 2 pieces here. I cut it in half, so I have 2 pieces. I'm not going to use the 2 pieces. I'm just going to use half. Okay, so I'm going to use the smaller half, leave the bigger half. Okay, alright, so guys, we're just gonna put it up. I'm just gonna peel it and then just cut it and then scrape it in the blender like that. Okay. These things a little bit. And then I'm just gonna put it like that. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make a smoothie. Alright guys, so this is the pear and the banana. I just cut it up. So now I'm gonna do my blending. Alright guys, so now my half and half, guys, because you know I love it. So I'm gonna throw my half and half. And then I'm gonna put little milk. I'll put some milk. Then guys, I'm gonna put some sweet milk. Put my husband's favorite. And my rubber off palm you know, guys. Everything I put sweet milk in, I want more flavor. You don't have to put sweet milk in this, you know, guys. You don't have to. You can just do it without sweet milk. But if you want more flavor and more taste, go for your sweet milk. Then the favorite part, guys, the most part, the most part, guys, the flaxseed and most. Alright, tablespoon, a little more over a tablespoon, because this is a big spoon, so I'll be a little more than a tablespoon. Okay, so now we're gonna blend. And if you want to put more flaxseed, you can go ahead and use the flaxseed. More flaxseed. But for me, this is just right. Alright guys, let us blend. What? Oh. Bye babes. Guys, I love smoothies, see? I love some smoothie. Every smoothie. That's it. All right, guys, this is a good day. This is a good day. Every day is a good day. Once you're alive, you are blessed and highly favored, guys. Once you're alive, a lot of people, guys, didn't even wake up this morning. So once you're alive, you are blessed, guys. You are blessed, guys. Guess what? Before I throw the smoothie, now I start to accept gift. So guys, anytime you watch my channel and you want to give a little gift, you can look underneath the bottom. You will see like the little money sign. Start to take from $2 and up. So if you want to bless me, guys, anytime you watch my video, I accept and I thank you, and God bless you. I appreciate you, guys, and I thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for sharing my video, guys. I thank you, guys. Make sure this video you like, guys. We got a whole lot of like, guys. So now we're gonna pour. Got that nice and thick. Looks so good, guys. I can't wait to make it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys, you have to try this. You have to try. Whoa. Alright, guys, now I'm gonna, guys, look at this. I'm gonna put a little bit of flaxseed on top. Let's look at it. So I already put a little flaxseed on top of it. Okay, here we go. Look at this, guys. Doesn't this look good? Look good. Good. So guys, the taste test now. Now is time for taste test. All right, okay, guys, taste with me. Here we go. No, guys, you have to try this. Guys, hurry up, you have to try this. Hurry up, guys, you have to try this. Guys, hurry up and go buy your pear, guys. Go buy your banana, guys. Go buy some milk, and if you want for add your half and half, hurry up, guys. It tastes so good. It tastes so lovely, guys. All right, and if you want to put on the fridge to get little coolness, you can do that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. May God continue to bless you, guys. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless. All right, guys, so I have 2 pieces here, so I'm just gonna